You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this vegetable ingredient? Onion. A stressed schwa. An. You have the schwa sound a and add an n, un, and then yan, another schwa sound with an e sound, short e before it. An, yan. Onion, stress on the first syllable. Onion, onion, onion is how you say it. Onion, okay? In American English it's a bit more open. Onion. Onion. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.